Let's go YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Lucas, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm basically just gonna be explaining on how to use the MaterTrader 4 or MaterTrader 5 app on your phone for trading basically. So yeah, that's basically just today's video. And so yeah, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and like the video, comment down below what you wanna know on the following video. Okay, so after installing the MaterTrader app, you will just open it, come this side, then click on top there. Now you're gonna have to get started. You'll have to click on get started, click the plus icon, then just click on the first page basically, which is gonna be opening a demo account for starters. So you'll just have, or just click on open demo account, then they will just enter your details, or just random details and all that. You'll click register, or just click accept, click whatever currency you want, whether it's GBP, Euro, Great British Pound, leverage, whatever you want. So we will start with, let's say, that, then just click register, then it's done. To log you into the account. But this is a demo account, meaning you can't withdraw money from this. It's just for trading and practice purposes. So yeah, that's how you open a demo account. And now coming to using MaterTrader, so it's basically, if you wanna draw your trend lines, your support and resistance, the tools you're gonna need is here. You're just gonna click on the screen, come here, then you have your tools. This is your trend line. This is what you use to draw your trend breakout and all that jazz. So yes, that was the option for your trend lines. So some would say we have a trend breakout currently on Euro USD, but let's see, maybe upshift. We are upshift till this areas, and this is a live signal, not signal but potential setup I'm busy doing here. So something like this, yes, maybe a buy till those areas, but yeah. And what else? Yeah, so yeah, that's just the basics. I can still add maybe my Fibonacci retracement, something like this. See? Yeah, so yeah, that's basically just how you use. This is your dashboard, not dashboard but just your balances and all that. This is your previous history, trading history. Yeah, just basically like that. Then you have your currency pairs here. You have Euro USD, click on chart. So wait, let's go back to Euro USD and see what our analysis was. So go to chart. So we are looking for potential buy. So if you wanted to place a trade, you would go down to the 15-minute chart, and this is not the perfect time to enter buy, but just for the sole purpose of the video I'm gonna show you how to enter buy. So you will click on the right corner at the plus there, and placing a trade, you simply just place buy. So yeah, just like that, you're in a trade. And once you place a buy and the market goes above it, that's when you're in profit. When it goes below it, as you can see here, let's just remove the Fibonacci because we can't currently see well. Yes, so yeah, you can see we're in a buy and it's under the line, so we're making negatives. So we're in negative. Oh, we're in profit, right? Let's see. If it goes above it, we're in profits. So yeah, if you want to add more, just like that. So remember guys, this is a demo account. This is not real money. This is solely a demo account. So if you wanna up your lot size, you can just simply click there. Let's go for $1. So yeah, that's how you place trades. And closing trades is not the same. You come here, click on the first bar, close trade, and just like that, that's how you close trade. So yeah, now you guys have to go open a demo account. If you're a beginner, just play with the demo account a bit and just get the overall rhythm and feeling of a demo account and the markets basically, before just depositing money and losing all of it in the forex market. So yeah, okay, so now that you know how to open a demo account, place a trade, exit a trade, use your trend lines, and just basically use the drawing tools on how to analyze the market, now I'm gonna show you how to log in to a account or to a real trading account. So you just once again click the plus icon. You will search for the broker. So what specifically broker you search for is based on the email they sent you and basically just the login information. So for mine was with XM, so I'm gonna come back. So they normally email you, so this is my email, so they emailed me. So what I search, the server I should search is this. I'm just gonna maybe highlight it. There's one. Oh yeah, so what I search for is that which I have highlighted. So most of the times I would normally just copy this, go back to the site, paste it here, there it is, then search for it. So it will give me the exact, okay, yes, remove that, there it is. So for server, it's this one which is there. So for login, this is the ID, which I'll just copy it again. So this is straight from the email which they sent me, paste it. Then my password, this is normally the password they will give you or they will normally send you. So I'll just enter mine, I'll blur it out. Okay, so I'll just click login, save. So yeah, just like that, I'm already logged in, quick and easy. So go back here. So yeah, that's the account, the real account. Go back here, let's go to euro, let's search which indices. Let's go here, let's click UK US 100, which is nice 100, just those ones. Open US 100 up, charts. Yeah, that's basically how to log in to a real account, easy as such.